Now whilst the oxtail is cooking in that 45 minutes, I am also going to cook the roadrunner. This chicken as we know it, that one that doesn't cook very easily, so I'm gonna cook that one back to back with the oxtail. So in 45 minutes I'll have 2 dishes done in no time. So I'm cooking it in here, and you can see there isn't any oil in there. Okay, so I'm just gonna, as you do, put it all in. I don't use any water, I don't use any oil, because the juices within the meat will all come out. And when you taste the chicken, you can actually taste that which is different, you know, the real chicken. Right, so now the chicken has been cooking for about 5 minutes. So I need to now go in there, turn it over, and just to see what's going on. So now our roadrunner has been cooking for a while. Let's have a look. Can you see? It's golden brown. Now I didn't add any water. I didn't add any oil. Crispy golden brown. Can you see? So cooking in Salad Master, it retains all the vitamins and the nutrients, and more so all the flavors in the meat are retained because of the way the Salad Master cookware is engineered. So it seals all the juices, it seals in all the flavors, whereas in our conventional cooking, I mean, everything just evaporates, so we are losing the flavors and the nutrients. Here, no, seals all the juices. In other words, we cook in an airtight container, which just seals all the natural goodnesses. And look at it, crispy golden brown, no water, no oil added at this point. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my ginger, garlic, tomatoes, and just a spoonful of garlic there. And then maybe 1 spoon of ginger, sorry, and then 2 of garlic, and then 2 onions in there, and my tomatoes, so 2 chopped tomatoes. And all I do at this point is just mix it. Look at that, crispy golden brown roadrunner. It tastes amazing. All the people that have bought this cookware are telling me that they are enjoying their meals more than they've ever done. It just is absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna leave that to cook again, so we'll come back to it in about 5 minutes, just so you can see step by. Wow, crispy golden brown. It's cooking slowly and it's looking really good. Now you can also, other than just the roadrunner, you can also, I mean, for vegetarians and vegans, you can use this size pan for also doing beans, you know, the brown beans, and also the lentils. So it's ideal for that as well. So this looks good. This looks absolutely amazing. So I'll leave that to a few more minutes and it's done.